In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give Delegate access Godaddy. To begin, log into your Godaddy account. Once you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your name or username. This opens the account menu, where you can access several important settings related to your profile and account management. From that drop-down menu, select Account Settings. After that, find and click Delegate Access. This is the section of Godaddy where you can allow another person to help manage parts of your account without sharing your main login information. That is useful if you work with a web developer, domain manager, assistant, or anyone else who needs limited access to your products or domains. When you are on the Delegate Access page, look for the section called People Who Can Access My Account. In that area, click Invite to Access. This will open the invitation form where you can add the new delegate. Next, enter the name of the person you want to invite, along with their email address. Make sure the information is accurate so the invitation goes to the right person. If there is a typo in the email address, they may not receive the access request, so it is a good idea to double-check it before moving on. After that, choose the appropriate access level. Godaddy gives you different permission options depending on what you want that person to manage. For example, you may choose products and domains if they only need to manage website products and domain settings. You may choose products, domains, and purchase if they also need permission to buy or renew services on your behalf. There is also a domains-only option if you want to limit their access strictly to domain-related tasks. Take a moment here to select the level that best matches what that person actually needs, since giving the right level of access helps keep your account more secure. Once everything looks correct, click Invite to send the email invitation. Godaddy will then send that person a message so they can accept the delegate access and connect to your account with the permissions you selected. That is the full process for giving delegate access in Godaddy. It is a simple way to let someone help manage your account while still keeping control over your main login. That covers everything you need to know.